I like to eat apples and bananas.
I'm so glad you came to learn about the letter I with us today. The letter I is a special kind of letter. The letter I is a vowel. Let me show you the word vowel. This is the word v, ow, o, vowel. There are 5 vowels in our alphabet. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. All of the rest of the letters are consonants. But A, E, I, O, and U are vowels. So let's learn about the letter I. All vowels have 2 sounds. Since I is a vowel, it has 2 sounds. It has the short sound I that we hear in igloo, and it has the long I sound where I says its name, I, like in the word ice. Let's write the letter I. The capital I is what we would use for a name or the beginning of a sentence. The capital I is also what we write for the word I. Capital I starts at the sky and comes down to the grass. Capital I has a cross on the sky and a cross on the grass. Sometimes you will see just a sky to grass. That could be a capital I, or it could be a lowercase l. So you have to look at what you're reading to find out. When we write the letter I, the capital I, we will put a top and a bottom on the capital I to help us know for sure that it is the vowel I. That is the capital I. The lowercase I starts at the fence, goes down to the grass, and has a small dot halfway between the fence and the grass. The fence and the sky. The sound for the letter I is I. That's the short sound for the letter I. I. The sign for the short sound I is to put your pinky right by your eye. You put it below your eye so that your pinky looks like the lowercase I and your eye on your face looks like the dot on the lowercase I. That's the sign for the short sound, I. Since I is a vowel, I has 2 sounds. It has a short sound and a long sound. The long sound for any vowel is its name. The long sound for I is I. For the sign for the long I, we take our pinky and turn it sideways and put it out beside our eye on our face. Let's write a capital I. Capital I starts at the sky. Capital I pulls down to the grass. Capital I has a cross on the sky, and capital I has a cross on the grass. That is a capital I. Lowercase I starts on the fence, goes down to the grass with a small dot halfway between the fence and the sky. The short sound for I is I, like in igloo and like in. Here's an iguana. Iguana starts with I. This iguana is going to go in the igloo. Iguana in an igloo starts with the short sound for I. I. Insect starts with I. Let's stretch out the word insect. I, N, S, E, K, T. Insect. Let's write the letters that make the sounds in the word insect. Can you help me write the letters in the word insect? I, N, S, E, K, T. Insect. We have written the letters that make the sound in the word insect. This is an I, and an I says I. This is an I, and an I says I. But I is a vowel, and all vowels can make two sounds. So this is an I, and an I can say I. This is an I, and it's possible for an I to say its name, because I is a word, and also because I is a vowel. And vowels make two sounds, a short sound and a long sound. Thank you for coming to learn about the letter I with me. I think I'll go put some ice in my drink.